I got sent to alternative school, and this was the better alternative option. Something my mom had told me. My favorite moment what I did was when we helped refill the food pantry and help the community. Right now I have a job. I want to continue working, and I'm thinking about maybe coming back to Ideal to get a work opportunity. My hobbies are going on YouTube and playing basketball. The person that motivated me when I fell was my mom. She helped me get through a lot of things. And yeah. Everybody deserves success as long as you put the work in. All right. My advice to the youth is to stay in school, you know, find you a good group of people and go to Ideal, they're gonna pay you.